That was mean. I don't know if that was all I ever wanted. But it was definitely all I ever needed, right? Hey guys, from the backyard to the front yard, here's what we're gonna work with. We still have an increased weight factor on your biceps bar. This is a go for the gold moment. So about maybe your triceps weight that you had on there, but here's why it's a gold medal moment. We have 2 rounds, 1 break, and we're gonna sprinkle in a little active recovery by calling in the upper back, has some reinforcements, and some bent over bicep rows. That sound good? Yeah,
Ready.
Let's do it. All right, so listen. The name of the game here is slow and steady. I mean, after all, it's only 34 reps in 3.5 minutes. Whoa. How hard can it be, Nasheen? Sounds good. You can do it. Set your feet underneath your hips. Roll your shoulders and reset that posture. You want to start out with a bent over bicep row? Why not?
Makes sense.
Let's try it. To the knees and pull up. Now right away, you don't need those reinforcements, but feel the upper back as it squeezes to get the bar up. How do you feel? Oh, I knew it! Stand up, curl up nice and smooth. Did he say heavy? Is it heavy? You say no, not yet.
Didn't have to say it twice either.
Bend in at the elbow, bar comes up to armpits, and you say, I got this. They got it, they got it.
Yeah.
Let's go a little slower. What do you say? 3, 2. Oh yeah. All right, Saturday. Roll your shoulders, reset your posture at the bottom. Let's stagger the bar. Halfway up, all the way. Oh, how does that feel? Do you feel that little pause? You know what I call that? I call it change. Do you like change? Hey. Woo. Now let's change one more time. Put the bar down. Oh, do you need that? Mark, what are you going to do with your time off?
Hang out by the jukebox and comb my hair.
Oh, okay, that looks good. What are you... We have the air guitar. We're in the presence of greatness. Ladies and gentlemen, let's train one more time. Grab your bars. Are you in? Yes or yes? Curl up. Wait a second, did somebody add weight to my bar? Maybe. You guys look good. Y'all brushed your teeth this morning. Elbows coming, yeah?
Wow.
All right, team, a little slower. Annalise, how you feeling? She says I'm great, Rach. All right, team. Reset your posture. Make it strong, Jimmy.
Rock and roll.
Stagger up. What? How's that fertilizer doing? Kristen feels it. Oh. I feel like my yard is in the middle of August, burnt to a crisp. Team. Bent over bicep row, 3 of them. 3. Oh, I needed this. What about you, Mark?
Is this part of the 34?
This is part of the active recovery.
Oh.
So I don't think we have to count it.
Active.
3.
Definitely active.
Definitely active. Are you ready? Stand up. Stagger the bar. Yes. Come on. Wait a second. What does he say? Woo. Rock and swole is your solution. Hey!
There you go.
Say yes. Listen.
Oh, what's up?
Smooth curl all the way up. Down quick. Oh. Wow. Woo. Oh. You say I love biceps this much. Hey, grab a sip of water. High five your neighbor.